So our friends Becky and Chris have a helicopter and they were going on a little road trip. I guess it's not a road trip since it's in the sky. Going on a little sky trip, and they happened to be flying over our parents' house. So they're stopping to visit, and I'm ready to be traffic control.
I'm not sure.
There's our friend! That was an impeccable landing. Okay, so wait, you guys just landed in my parents' yard. How about that?
This is a great spot, actually.
That's perfect. What did you think about my air traffic control skills?
10 out of 10 for sure.
Okay, yeah.